Hive is an automated base station for small UAS. It handles launch, recovery, and recharge, and it provides a continuous video stream from any point in the sky by synthetically stitching video feeds of multiple drones. Persistence is an interesting concept because it extends the operational time of the UAS indefinitely. You might have a drone that can fly for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, but what's going to happen is when you're performing a mission critical task, you're eventually going to hit a point where the battery is depleted and you have to retrieve the drone. So what persistence lets you do is ignore the limitations of the technology and focus on the task at hand. While you're performing your 2-hour-long survey or you're monitoring a situation that's unfolding, when drones are being depleted, new drones are being launched and handing off the task in air. Our software stitches the video feed, it handles the mission swaps and the airspace deconfliction so that you can think about your drone being a drone that sits in the sky 24/7. It's essentially a tethered drone concept with no tether, just multiple drones on the ground charging and waiting on standby. One of the primary applications of drones in these early days of the UAS industry is security, either from just bad actors on the ground or even against other drones in the air. So there's a bunch of different UAS and counter-UAS technologies being developed in tandem. For us, we want to provide a rapidly deployable security network that can be moved to the locations that are most important. The Hive as a concept is an enablement technology that we see as a base platform for all UAS operations in the future. You can't have a person behind a controller for every single drone. In the future, you're going to have fleets of UAS performing tasks, supporting humans on the ground, and they will all be flown from automated software command and control systems. Over the next year, we're hoping to push the technology to its limits. We're hoping to become a part of partnerships and experiments that allow us to fly fleets of UAS, all controlled by either a centralized mission controller or third-party mission controllers. We just want to see drones in the air continuous. We want to provide tethered capabilities to drones that don't have tethered systems.